Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're gonna do a little walk around today, go check the feeders and the cameras and all of that good stuff. I believe one of the camera's batteries are already dead from when I got back. Good morning, guys. Good morning. What are you doing? What are you doing? Well, hello. Oh, my little goat pack. Is Eclipse taking good care of y'all? Yeah? Yep. She's a good guard dog. It is a cool morning, guys. It got into the higher 40s this morning. I've been up for a while. I've actually already edited a Come On Homesteading video. It's probably going to come out today, so be on the lookout for that. If it does not get out today, it'll definitely be out tomorrow, but more than likely it's going to go live today. Good morning, Ray. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm gonna have to do some stuff with the rabbits here soon. The ones that are the grow outs. It is about that time. I haven't been down here in about 2 days because of all the rain that we've been getting. I did switch out the cards, and on a video, maybe tomorrow I'll do it, because I have to do some editing and stuff, but I'll put some pictures in of the deer that I've already got showing up around here, so pretty happy about that. Look at all the green with the food plot. It is coming in well. My feeder still ain't working 100%. If y'all seen the video on Come On Homesteading, it's still binding up a little bit for me. Let's check on this. Do a little test, a little testy test. To get out of here pretty quick. It's gonna get me. It looks like it only does it once before it clogs back up, so I'm probably going to end up having to take the rest of it out and just switching it straight to corn. That's what it looks like to me. We'll do another one. Yeah, see, it's already clogged up. Not good, not good. I will not be using pellets no more, you can believe that. I don't know if you've ever... Yeah, that ain't working well at all. I'll be addressing that this weekend. That's not gonna cut it. At all. Put the box back on. I believe this camera over here is the one that needs the batteries. I have to set y'all down for a second. I got these new little Moultrie miniature cameras. I've never used them before. But I do know that the batteries that came in them are not that great. So we're going to put some Duracell in there. If I can remember how to set it. I'll have to set that on the way back. I need to know what time it is. And it's not going to show on the camera while I'm recording. Let's walk around here. Been getting a little rain, so should be able to see some tracks. My feet are only working here and there is not a good thing. I'm trying to be consistent with it. I got some tracks right there. Not as many as I've been seeing though. Definitely gonna have to get that camera or the feeder with some good corn in it so it works like it's supposed to. I would have never thought that I would have had that much problems with the pellets in there. But that's what it's all about. It's about learning. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Look at all those bright colors behind me, guys. Fall is coming. Let's take a little stroll through the woods. I'm going to change out the card on this one back here because the batteries are still good in it, and be able to check to see if we still got some stuff. I had a little small 4-point coming in and also an 8-point, not a huge one, but an 8-point all the same, and quite a few does, so that's a good thing. See a little bit of tracks. Oh, we got some sprouts coming up, guys, after that rain. I've been waiting on the rain to see if this last little food plot I planted here will start sprouting. And it looks like it is, so that's a good sign. It's only been about 2 days of rain. Enough to kind of weten and soften this up a little bit. Got a track right there. I'm not expecting this to grow as good as the other one, for sure. Figured it would do a little better out here in the sun area. But I didn't till up a lot. Just kind of loosened up the dirt a little bit. Not too bad. They've been working on the acorn block. You can see a little bit of them kind of scratching and stuff right there. That's a good sign. A little bit of green happening down there. I also put some of that apple juice over here. I wonder if they've been messing with that any. Set y'all down and change this card out, but look at all this green right here. It's coming up. It is coming. Find my little SD card I got going on down here. Yep, battery's still good in this one. Still learning the cameras. I'm just happy to see any kind of movement here, because last year I really didn't see nothing around here. Every once in a while I'd see a little doe here or there at the feeder. It was always at night, and a lot of them are coming in during the day that I've caught on the new cameras so far. So that's a good thing, because you're not allowed to hunt at night. Whew. I'm gonna have to get those gas lines done here soon. If it keeps cooling down like this, I might need some heat action coming soon. Got a little bit of long sleeves on this morning. I'm gonna try to get that video out on Come On Homesteading today before I leave. I'm going over to the 41.36 today. Roxanne is making lasagna from scratch. She's making the noodles and everything, so I'm excited about that. I love lasagna. I don't really know much about making lasagna. I always relied on my sister, because my sister always made the best lasagna on the planet. And I have a funny feeling that Roxanne's going to be right there with her. So definitely excited about that. Mike should be coming up here soon to get lift. He had a delivery today that he's going to need lift for. So I got the battery pack charging for that. And get lift jumped off, because lift battery was dead last time I used it for all of this right here. And I didn't run it that long, so I don't know if it charged the battery enough. It might have, but it's kind of a cold morning, so I'm thinking probably gonna need to jump it off. So I'm trying to be proactive and go ahead and get my jump pack charged up. So when he comes up here to get lift, we could just throw the jump pack on there and get him situated. It is gorgeous this morning, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh, I love it. I also love seeing all of that green right there. My little food plot area is working out right here. And you can see the stand right over there. I'm excited about this year, guys. Excited about this year. But I hope everybody is having a great weekend. I hope y'all have done something nice for somebody. Reached out to somebody you ain't talked to in a while. And I hope you guys are keeping it real. Come on. Make sure that you take a small step to your goal. A big one if you can. Maybe I'll show y'all some of them deer tomorrow. But I love every single one of y'all. And until we see each other again, guys, come on. Hey, keep it real.